This thumb up style. Okay, so the thumb is up and we're gripped this way. Now let's work on some basic spins, right? So we want to spin it out and catch. And if you have a good pair, they're easier to spin. So you want to let the weight of the end come out. So look, do this. Let the weight come out. Let it fall out on its own and then just spin it back. So in one fluid motion, they come out and back. So you learn how to spin it so it's non-stop. Half turn, and we're going to go a turn and a half back. Then watch what we do. We sidestep and block and strike. Now watch, we look over our right shoulder. We horse stance block down. Open at a half turn, turn and a half back, sidestep, block and strike. Go to cat stance, step and step into front leaning stance. And back to Yowie position. Okay, ready? So holding it, yeah. Ready? So Yowie, cat stance, Yowie, and back, open. Good. Look to the left, down block, open, close, a turn and a half, sidestep, block, punch. Yeah, don't worry, follow along and do your best. Other side, horse stance, block down, open and close. Good, sidestep, block, strike. Look to the left, cat stance, step in deep, down block. Yeah, now we're going to do, from the down block, we're going to do front kick. Ready? Go front kick, double strike, behind and in front. Then we do Toby Maigette, jumping front kick. We jump with our leg, lift with our left, and kick. Go. Go. Good. Yes. And strike. Good. And then clear. Last strike, we open the weapons, turn and a half down, back, big circle down into Yowie. Open, close, turn and a half. Sidestep, block, strike. Nice. You're getting there, right? So open and close, that we call the routine. Right, good and good. Look to the front. Cat stance, double strike, step in, block down. Front kick, double strike. Jumping front kick, double strike. Clear up. Clear down. Big circle, Yowie position. Nicely done. Take it back one more time. So we're going to do what we call static knife defense. Or why don't you demonstrate them? So basic static knife is like a stab and then we block and we strike. So ready? Number one comes in, stab, we block, we grab, we strike, step, take, and we control the knife. We're controlling that blade because if he doesn't control it, she could maybe cut him and stab him. So he has to have full control over the blade. This is not knife parrying or any training like that. So it comes in with a stab, move and control. We're gripping tight. We strike to take away their line of attack and we step and sweep and then control that blade. Does that make sense? Yes, sir. That's number one of the basic knife. Let's try that.